I'd say number one, the biggest barrier to AI adoption is talent, not technology. You need to have the right people in place. And I know that there have been many enterprises who are literally rethinking the workforce strategy. We heard about IBM kind of pausing all new hires that kind of AI can automate, right? We've heard companies kind of really start focusing on upskilling, reskilling. And the ones that are going to win in this space are the ones that kind of really develop their 5 to 10 year strategy. The second kind of thing to think about is data, access to data quality. That is going to be the second biggest barrier, if not the biggest barrier as well, because at the end of the day, the quality of your LLM output really hinges on, it's the garbage in, garbage out kind of philosophy. If you have crappy data, your models are going to be crappy too. And let's not forget, LLMs are not designed to give you facts, right? They make up content. And they make up content and output that mimics the data it is trained on. So if your data is biased, your output is going to be biased too. AI security and data security. One is using AI for security, and the other one is using security for AI. So I'll talk about the first one. Just the way that legitimate organizations are using AI to kind of improve their workflows, the way they interact with customers. Bad actors are also leveraging the same technology to kind of develop or generate malicious code to hack into your systems to make these phishing attacks a lot more sophisticated, that it's harder to detect, right? And so, corporates from around the world are going to have new security challenges that they need to think about. And then the second one is, as with any new kind of big technological shifts, it opens up kind of new attack vectors. What I mean by that is, when computers went online and we started going on the internet, right, it opened up a new attack vector, and that's where we saw the rise of kind of antivirus softwares, right, Symantec and whatnot, McAfee. Then corporates started moving to the cloud. Then we saw the emergence of cloud security platforms, right, and now we're embracing another shift where everyone wants to adopt AI technologies, but that opens up new vulnerabilities and new attack vectors. And so corporates need to think about kind of what is the security protocols. You don't just have to care about how people will use AI to hack into your systems. You need to think about how threat actors will use technology to attack your models directly. And so that's something that corporates need to consider. And in fact, the most popular request within AI for last year was security. The idea here is that even with the adoption of AI, it's actually going to open up new opportunities. We will have to retrain our workers, but there will be a creation of net new jobs that will kind of result in long-term employment growth.